When you have a synthesis reaction, A plus B come together to form a new compound, AB. The compound has different properties than the starting materials. A synthesis or combination reaction occurs when your reactants come together to form one product. This is the reaction with iron burning in oxygen. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of steel wool and we're going to heat up the steel wool and we are going to put it into a Erlenmeyer flask that contains pure 100% oxygen. So steel wool is made up primarily of iron. And so we're just going to heat that up just to sort of initiate the reaction and put it in. And you can definitely see evidence of a chemical reaction. So one of our clues there. And let's see that again. We'll slow it down. Okay. Now, if you look closely on the sides of the container, I know it's a little bit hard to see, but you're going to see a brown iron oxide rust is formed. In the demonstration, we had solid iron reacting with oxygen gas to yield iron 3 oxide. We're going to look at the reaction between zinc and sulfur. Sulfur is a yellow powder and zinc is the more gray silver powder. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix them together in a nice little pile and we're going to try and get them to form a new compound in a synthesis reaction here. We need to initiate this reaction with a red hot iron rod, or we could heat it up with a Bunsen burner. So definitely evidence of a chemical reaction going on there. It was in slow motion. So we can see that this is a highly exothermic reaction, meaning that when the bonds were created between zinc and sulfur, it released a lot of heat energy. So this is what the product looks like, zinc sulfide. It's a white yellowish powder. So in this demonstration, we see that zinc plus sulfur come together to yield zinc sulfide. So Zn plus S yields ZnS.